Jason Geiman here with another helpful tip for you. So today I want to talk to you about six steps to get customers. I'm going to start from 1 to 6 of them. So with that being said, like I say, please like my channel. I'm trying to get to 5,000 and then my next goal is 10,000. But I'm about 200 subscribers from 5,000. And when I get to 5,000, I'm going to give something away. I don't know what it's going to be. It might be big. It might be little. I don't know. We'll find out. So with that being said, number one. Number uno. So first thing is signs. So when we first started out, this right here made me $35,000. Signs, that was a part-time business. Signs do well. Signs, make sure with your signs, they're big, you can rate them, what you do. Big phone number, this needs to be as big as what you do. And then if you got a website that's easy to remember, then website. Don't put the www, don't be a dummy like me. I don't know why I put it on there, but I did. Don't put that, everybody knows that. But you know, I could have made this a little bit bigger, but this is what I want them to call me. When they call me, I get their information. When they go here, I get a pixel of their information and I get a retargeting of their information. This one here, I get name, number, email address. I want them to call me. So, with that being said, this is number one, signs. If you'd like to, I'll have a link in below where you can get them from a couple different sources. All right. Number two. This is what I did when I first started, was networking. I started in a B&I group. I'm not going to say it's the best thing to do. It kind of takes up a lot of time, and if the time you spend, you can make it in better spots. I know people that network and make good money at it, great money at it, but you can network at like the B&I, the Chamber of Commerce, all sorts of places. You can do meetups, and you kind of meet. Way B&I works is I give you referrals. It's all on helping each other. You know, we help each other and we all grow together. So B&I is number two, or not B&I, networking is number two. And that's networking at your home. We did a networking group up at, it was actually a reverse networking, and we made good money off of it. It was for the property association, and they actually had the owners of the property management company, and you got to sit down with them, give them a 5-minute spiel, and then you give them your information. That worked really well. So, number two, you need a website. It don't have to be, when you're first starting out, it don't have to be this big $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 website. Just because you pay $2,000 to $3,000 in website, especially if it don't include SEO and good SEO, it's not going to help you. I mean, I'm starting to offer websites and stuff, but I'm not, these big, nice websites are nice, but a website alone without SEO is useless. It's going to get you no business because nobody's going to find you. Yeah, you can send people to you and they'll find you that way, but unless you get SEO, and SEO is for search engine optimization, so that's when people type in pressure washing Cincinnati and you come up number one. Here's another way you can come up number one, and this is number three. Number three is Adwords. Actually, it's not Adwords, it's Google Ads. It just changed here. It's going to change probably when this video comes out, but it's Google Ads. And so what you need for it, you need a simple landing page or a website or a simple landing page that's got the pertinent information, your number, your phone number in it, or a request form, and AdWords. You can spend anywhere from I mean, right now we spend $180 a month, or actually I take it back, $180 a day in AdWords. And that's where we get 60% of our business is through AdWords. And that's how we get it. So, and AdWords can change depending on how much business you have in your, or how much competition that is using AdWords will depend on how much you're going to pay per click. Last year we were getting clicks anywhere from $4 to $6 range. This year we're at about the $8 to $10 range. So is our average. So you got to remember that you know, what's your lifetime value of your customer? People say, well, it takes me 3 clicks to get 1 customer. Okay, it's $30. But how much is that $30 going to get you the lifetime of that customer? Especially if you do another step down here, you will get a lot more out of that $30 than just a one-off $300 pressure washing. All right, so we're gonna move on. So we did signs, we did networking, we did website, we did AdWords. The next one is Facebook. Facebook is one of those things that we, as Facebook ads, we struggle with. We haven't made a lot, we put a lot more money into it and got a lot less return on it. Now, that being said, getting involved in Facebook groups, like your local yard sale groups, your local, that kind of stuff, and you do stuff in those groups that help other people, and then when they ask for pressure washing, then you can recommend yourself, but you're also recommending other services to different things, so people will know, like, and trust you. And that's how you get really good stuff on Facebook. You want people to know, like, and trust you, not just, hey, spam the group, spam this group, hey, we spam this group, and when they open up, they're in them 30 groups and you spammed every one of them. Don't do that. All right, and number 6 is, it's kind of a 2-part one, email. Email marketing is huge, huge. Email can be a great tool for you. And when I say email marketing, I'm gonna say email marketing 1 and email marketing 2. So email marketing 1 is what we do, is we'll get a list of realtors, we can go on and get a list of property managers, and we'll get a list of all those people, and we'll blast email out to those. And we get a lot of work that way. I think last year it was about $200 to $300,000 through email, bam. And we can hit those people once a month, once every 2 months, and we give them helpful information, and we give them stuff that will help them out on their properties, gutter cleaning in the fall, spring cleaning in the summer or in the spring. So that's what we do email. Now, email 2 is to your customers. You remember I said we get their name, phone number, and email? That's what I'm talking about. Because now once we get their email, we're gonna send them the quote. And then the next day, we're gonna check up to make sure they got that quote. And we might even call to make sure they get that quote. And then 3 days later, they're gonna get another email. And then 4 days later, they're gonna get, on day 5, so within day 14 in our company, they get 7 touches, whether it's a phone call or an email. Because you know why we do that? Because by day 14, we close a lot of people. You know why we close a lot of people by day 14? Because you out there gave them a quote and never followed up, and it never went through to them, and now they don't have your quote, so they just think you're not doing your job. But guess what? When we follow up 7 times in 2 weeks, they know, they get tired of us. They get tired of us real quick. And we use a service called Responsibid for that. And then you know what else that service does too? It helps us get next, remember I said $30 a click or $30 a customer? You know what that service does next year? It emails them again. It says, hey, it's been a year. Do you want your house clean? Or hey, do you want your windows clean? Or hey, do you want your carpet clean? And you can do that every 60 days, 180 days, all that great stuff. So email is huge on that part of it. And that Responsibid will actually say, hey, give that fella a call up, 60 days, 120 days. And we do this for 3 years. 3 years we keep them on that list, that they keep just getting emails from us. And it's all automated. Done, 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 done. Just keep sending them out. Sending them out, baby. Sending them out. So, hope that helps you out. That was 6 things. That's 10. 6 things. Hope that helped you out. Like I say, I'll have some links down below of the services of that and all that great stuff. And hope you have a great, wonderful summer. And please subscribe. I need 200. Please subscribe to me. Thanks. Have a great day.